Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So 101 Smart FM, the spirit of Makassar, Indonesia. So today I'm very excited because there are guests and all of them are very beautiful. And I feel like I'm the only handsome one here because I'm the only guy, right? So today's topic is quite interesting during our weekly program. So that is English discussion with English Communities Makassar. And our topic for today is dream, believe, and make it happen. But before we further discuss about our topic, let's get to know our participants one by one. So let's start from my left side. Can we start from you? Maybe your name and then your community.
Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself.
Yeah.
My name is Mawaddah Rahma. You can call me Mawa.
Okay,
I
Mawa.
am representative at HEC,
At
Hasanuddin English Community.
English community.
Yes.
So for all of our viewers who want to join your
Yeah.
community, how can they know more about your community?
You get from you can come in IPTEX,
Okay,
and
IPTEX.
in this week you can join in Zoom because it is
Okay,
online.
so it's online. So how about the
Yeah.
offline class? Do you guys have?
The plan is next month.
Next month,
Weekly
okay.
discussion and TOEFL discussion
Okay.
you can
Oh,
get
I see.
in IPTEX.
At IPTEX, is it?
Yeah.
At Hasanuddin
Yeah,
University?
Hasanuddin
Okay.
English Community.
Thank you, Mawa. And then
Okay,
let's
thank you
move
too.
to my right side. Maybe you, miss?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Anjani Putri, but usually people call me Anjani. I'm from Ambrose English Club. This my community from Institut Parahikmah Indonesia, my campus.
Okay, so it's on campus.
Yes.
So how
sure.
about the viewers who want to join your community as well? Is there a way to connect?
Oh yeah, you can see our schedule in our Instagram. My Instagram is Idensa EP. You can see our schedule and our activity.
Okay, thank you so much, Anjani. So let's move
Okay.
to my left side again. Okay, how about you?
Okay, so really nice to meet you guys. My name is Wiwi. I'm representative of BPEC, Benteng Panyua English Club. So, yeah, if you want to join in lovely Sunday meeting on BPEC, you can come to Benteng Rotterdam every Sunday at 10 a.m. Thank you.
So what is the Instagram again?
BPEC Makassar.
BPC Makassar.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. And the last one, how about you?
Okay, thanks for this chance. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ramla Rani, but you can call me Lala. I'm from Equensa community. Yes, of course. If you wanna join with my community, just looking for some information from the Instagram and then Facebook, and you can join with us.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's
Okay.
have a round of applause.
Yay.
Okay, so since our topic today is about dream, believe, and make it happen, I feel like this is very interesting. Do you agree about our
Yes,
topic?
agree.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to know, guys, from you, like, do you think this is an interesting topic or any opinion from yours? What do you think about our topic for today? Let's move again from my left side from you.
Okay. So, talk about dream. I think it's really important for us to having dreams because dreams have a same function as hope. So the moment when we have hopes, we will not give up of our life. So we can keep it up and keeps fighting for our life.
Okay, thank you so much. Short, but it's very meaningful, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so let's move to the second speaker. I will choose Anjani. What do you think about our topic today?
My opinion about this topic, I'm very interested about this topic because if someone to brave to dream, he will try to get our dreams, and then every people have dreams, always wanna change their life.
Okay.
Yes.
So dream is like one of the ways to change our life.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Anjani. And then we move to the third speaker. Okay, Wiwis. Okay, yeah. Mawa, sorry. Mawa, Miss Mawa.
Okay,
How
thank
about you?
The dream is everyone has a right to achieve to dream. So don't be afraid to big a dream because it is free. Not
Yes.
we had to pay because it is if we have a big dream, just believe and make it happen.
Ooh,
It is
yeah,
our
like
topic.
our topic
Believe,
today,
just
right?
believe, and
Yes.
we can try. And besides try, we can pray and
Yeah.
a lot of try. Just try. Yeah, just
Just
try.
try.
If we try, if we can can believe it,
Mhm.
it's come true.
Amin. Yeah. Amin. Let's give her a round of applause. Yeah. And the last one, maybe this is gonna be the best answer from the last speaker. So, what do you think about our topic today?
Okay, thank you so much for a golden opportunity to giving opinion about dreams. I mean, that is 4 point is very important to someone know about dreams. The first is what the meaning about dreams. I mean, dreams have two meaning.
Okay,
The first is
one.
dream if you wanna sleep. Yes, of course. The someone always say have a nice dream.
Yeah.
But that is just
That's
imagination. Okay, you know. And the second meaning about dreams is goals.
Okay, cool.
Goals. Yeah. I
Okay.
mean, if someone talk about dreams, there is 3 points very important. We have to know. The first is hope.
Hope.
Yeah, hope or wish.
Wish.
Okay. The second is power.
Power. Okay.
And the third is prayer.
Okay, prayer.
And the last is
Answer.
action.
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 Okay.
Because if there is no action, I mean dreams is not imagination. Like you
Okay.
asleep.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean that is for the meaning of dreams.
Okay.
The second point is okay. The second point is about what is the factor are make it dream inflation.
Okay.
I mean, if someone have a dreams, he can do everything to make it their dream come true.
Okay.
He have not he, but we are have plan or action plan to
Okay.
make it target.
Okay, make a
And
target.
if someone have a make target, I mean, it's very important to make it your dream wanna become yes real like that.
Okay,
Not
okay.
just imagination, but
Okay.
that is realities about your
Yeah.
life. Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
as long as we have plans and we want to make it into
Action,
actions.
yes, actions.
Yes. We 100% agree, right? Okay. Next, move to the second question. Because all of us here, we are still very young, right? And then I believe all of us still have goals and dreams that we want to pursue. I mean, goals, not like dreams that we want to like sleep and then have dreams, not. But the second definition, like what she just explained. And I'm very much curious about all of you guys' dreams. Like, what are your dreams, guys? Like, what you want to pursue? Maybe in the next 10 years or in the next 5 years. So I will start from you again. Sorry, what is your name? I keep forgetting your name. Mawa. Okay, Mawa. How about you, Mawa? What is your dream?
Okay, my dream is I want to what the English of bermanfaat.
Useful.
Useful to
beneficial.
everyone. Because knowledge is not. I mean, knowledge is not important for me. What if we not useful for everyone? So
Okay.
we have to useful for everyone. My dream is maybe.
Don't be
I
shy.
want to bagikan.
Oh, to make
make it happy my
Your-
for my family
your
all of
family,
and
okay.
make it and we go to Kaaba.
Okay. Oh my
Oh,
gosh, Allah.
We Kaaba. Amin ya Allah.
Amin, amin,
Yeah,
amin.
and beside it, I want to continue my study.
Okay.
Yeah,
Abroad.
maybe yeah, inshallah.
Which country is that?
It's
Can you
secret.
spell? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So since you really want to make your family happy, especially
Yeah.
your parents,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So how about me? Do you want to make me happy? Just kidding. Okay, let's move to the next speaker. Maybe you. How about you? What is your dream? Yeah.
Okay, guys. If you ask me about what is my dreams, I will answer long. I will answer long because I will tell you about my dream when I was elementary school. I want to become a doctor. Yes, of course.
Doctor.
But if I continue in junior high school, I want to become a teacher.
Oh.
And then when I was senior high school, I have a dream want to become a lecturer.
Ooh.
And then after I learned in campus or university, I have a dream want to become a businesswoman and
Oh.
be useful for us.
Oh,
That is
nice.
my dreams.
It kept changing, right?
Yes, of course, always changing. For
The higher your
just-
education, it like the dream is different
yes,
as well.
yes.
Okay, wow. So yeah, it's very unique story. So let's move to the next one. Anjani, how about you, Anjani? What do you want to become in the future?
In the future, my dream same like Mawa and Kak Lala.
Lala? Okay.
I wanna be useful for everyone, but if you ask me about job, in the future I wanna be a lecturer
Oh, you wanna be a
because
lecturer.
now I am as a teacher at elementary school, so this is my first step to applying my knowledge.
Okay.
So I hope I can continue my study in next step and and can be a lecturer.
Oh, man, we wish you all the best, right?
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
and the last, Wiwi.
Yeah.
So how about you, Wiwi?
Okay, so talk about my dreams. When I was a little child, my parents asked me, "What is your future dream, Wiwi?" And I answer, "I want to be a painter." Yeah.
Like artists.
Yeah, but after grown up, I realized that being a painter is not as easy as you only can drawing. Yeah, so yeah, there is so many aspects how to become a painter. Like you need to increase your skill, you need to find your unique technique, and also you need to be famous because
Yeah.
the more famous you are, the higher salary that you can get.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
as a painter, and nowadays my major actually not related with my dreams.
Oh, so what
I'm
is your
majoring
major?
English education
Oh,
department.
English education.
Yes, so it is not related yet with my dreams, but I do believe that I still can achieve my dreams.
Yeah.
Like I can be the part of publications and documentations, which
Okay.
is I can editing, and
Oh,
also I learn about graphic designer. So I do believe that we live in digital era, right? So
yes,
now
sir.
drawing is not only by traditional,
Mhm.
but also by digital. So I can
Yeah.
draw logo and so on, like that.
Yeah. So you are majoring in English education right now.
Yes.
So that's why like her English is very good.
No,
Yeah.
no,
That's
really.
true, that's true. Okay, so
still learning.
Yeah, all of us are still learning here. Okay, so the next one it's about our role models. I feel like this one is quite interesting as well because for me, my role model is my lecturer because like all of my lecturers honestly because they keep encouraging me like to pursue my dreams like to study overseas, and I want to know from you guys like wow, who is your role model? Maybe is it like a famous person like a K-pop boy group or girl group or something like that, a famous person, and then I will start from Mawaddah.
Begin.
Yes, it's okay.
Let me think.
Yeah, make me happy.
Thinking about role model.
Yes.
I'm not sure
You're
about
not
it.
sure?
Yeah, because
You can choose me.
Oh,
Just kidding, just kidding.
give me a reason. Because my role model is change. It's apa tergantung situasi based on situation.
Okay,
If
give us examples.
for example, if maybe for versi religion, or it is versi
Okay.
art, or it is.
Could
So,
you mention the names?
for religion, maybe my grandfather.
Your grandfather.
yeah,
Why?
for religion, because,
Why is it your grandfather?
My grandfather is it's so what taat,
Very religious.
very religious, and the what pendidik the education for us is not so hard. He teach us as very smooth, yeah.
Smoothly.
So about the versi, another versi is moral mode. Maybe Agnes Mo, just
Agnes Mo,
Yeah.
like our
Yeah,
topic
yeah.
again today, right?
Because she from not from rich, cukup apa yang bercukupan, yeah.
Okay.
Nah, yeah, because dream she make quote
Okay, quote. Oh, like our title,
yeah.
dream,
Yeah,
believe,
it-
and
believe,
make
believe,
it happen.
dream, yeah, it's her quote.
Okay.
So it is so important because we can think it is apakah ini akan terjadi atau tidak. So we come true or not, we just believe,
Okay.
and just try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel
It's
like
the best.
Agnes Mo is such a good role model because she always like inspires like her fans.
Yeah.
Like to
Sure.
pursue our dreams as
Yeah.
high as possible, right? So I also like your grandfather because like he is like a very practicing Muslim. So I think that's a good role model for you as well. So how about Lala? How about
Okay,
you?
thank you. About role models, I mean, I really like my mom.
Oh, your mom.
Mom,
yeah.
yes, because my mom, the first, very fashion. Yes,
Fashion?
of course, passion. Yes,
Okay.
and then my mom always say, "Don't give up.
Don't give
Never
up.
give up. Never give up. If you have a dreams, just do the best."
Just do
Uh,
the best.
She ever say like this, don't think to be the best, but think to do the best and do your best. Yeah, that's right.
mashallah.
I mean, this is a special statement for me. And then my mom is everything in my life.
Okay.
I will do the best for my family. Yes,
Okay,
of course.
wow, mashallah. Thank you so much. And then we move to Miss Wiwi. How about you?
Okay, talk about role model. Actually, I a bit difficult to decide who is my role model because so many inspirational figure.
Mhm.
So I cannot choose one of them.
You cannot choose, okay.
Yes, I cannot choose.
So
but
just
one-
choose two of them then.
So maybe my one of inspirational figure that I can see is, Najwa Shihab.
Oh yeah, Najwa Shihab.
Yes.
All of us know her.
I really adore the way they speak, her
Her public
her
speaking.
public speaking, and I also love the Pablo Picasso. So many painter. Yeah,
Also
that's
also
really
painter.
inspired me. Like the way they find their own unique
Mm.
technique in painting. So, yeah,
Okay.
this kind of person is really inspiring me.
Yeah.
And we can find another inspiring person just around us, like
Yeah.
our family
Our
and also our
family.
friend, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And since you really are into drawing, right? So
Yeah.
what kind of like arts that you usually draw? Like, is it like a any anime like that? Could you tell us more about that?
Okay, so actually, I also draw anime.
Oh, yeah. Just one of
Yeah.
them, right?
Yeah,
So how about the others?
I sometimes draw about the just scenery that I see. Sometimes I try to draw.
Okay. Do you post them on your social media?
No.
No. Okay.
No, I'm too shy to post them.
Okay. Thank you so much. And we move to Anjani. How about you, Anjani? Who is your role model?
My role model is same like Mr. Ikram because
Okay.
I and Mr. Ikram is satu kampus.
Yeah, we are from the same university.
He is my senior. So my role model, of course, our lecturer because there are many. My lecturer always continue our study in abroad. So I am motivated from there. So my role model, my lecturer, example, Serahkam, Sir Ardillah.
Okay.
Some
Do you guys know them?
no.
Okay.
And another my role model is Rayansa. Yeah,
Who's
do
that?
you know?
No, you don't know.
Do you know Rayansa?
Rayansa?
Cipung?
Oh,
Yeah.
Cipong. Oh, okay. Why?
Yeah.
Like, he's still very small, and then he already inspires you. Like how?
I'm
Which way?
fanatic fans from
Oh, wow.
Cipung.
Okay.
Because during I work my thesis, I write my thesis, I always watch video Cipung, so I can finish my thesis fastly, lebih cepat. Thank you.
Okay, so if you say something bad about Cipung, you will like punch us or hit us. No, no, you are not a fan. Okay, so the next question, I feel like this one is quite interesting, and I hope it can be inspiring for our viewers as well. So it's about when we feel down and we feel not inspired anymore, we are not feel motivated anymore. Like, what do you guys usually do, like to keep pursuing and to keep your spirit up to pursue your goals in your life? So let's start from Miss Wiwi. Okay.
Okay. I think like the moment when you feel so down and give up on your life, you just need to remember why you start.
Oh yeah, remember why we start.
Yeah, remember your goals, the one that you want to make them happy, like your parents, your family. I think that's all from me.
That's all.
Yeah.
Very sure.
That's the main important
Very
thing.
important. But sometimes, we already try very hard to achieve our goals, but it still seems very far. Like the process is very long, and we tend to compare ourselves to others. So what would you say for those who are doing that? Yeah, what do you
For
think?
the one who's still comparing their self with
Yes,
another's,
self-comparison.
yeah, I think you don't have to do that because you have the different process in your life, different perspective, point of view with them. The thing that you need to compare is your previous self.
Yeah, that's right.
But even life, there is no always up and up. Sometimes it's up and down.
Yeah.
So the most important thing is you don't give up on your dreams.
Okay.
But several people who give up on their dream because they feel disappointed.
Yes.
Yeah. They choose to have no dreams.
Okay.
They try to be more realistic, like I need to find another alternatives, for example.
Okay.
Or they try to just let it flow.
Let it flow.
Let it
Whatever
flow.
happens, it happens, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But don't give up. You need to increase yourself. You need to increase your value for the
Okay.
to begin with. So yeah, like even if you cannot you can make your dream come true, at least you hire your value.
Okay.
And maybe another job, another chance will come into your life.
Okay.
I think that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss. And let's move to Lala. Okay. So how about you, Lala?
Okay, if I feeling down, I just try to get my a good position or good mood, like do traveling.
Do travel. Okay.
Yeah, after I do
love
traveling, I
too.
imagine my idea also, and then I create. After I create, I make it plain. After I make it plain, I do action again.
Action again.
Yeah,
Okay.
I never say give up in myself. Yeah,
Okay.
and don't afraid about your dreams. Just do the best.
Oh,
Never think be the best, but do the best.
Do the best.
And then you wanna become the best in your life. Yes, of course.
So don't be the
just
best,
it.
but do the best, right?
Yes.
But have you ever experienced, maybe from your circle, a group of friends of yours who are, like less motivated, or they want to give up? And then have you had any friends like that?
Okay. If I get a friend like that, I just say, just think about your family first. If you think about your family, I mean, you can get a power. You can get a support from your family, and then you can start from what you want.
Okay.
Just make it yourself be enjoy with your trouble, maybe if you have, and then I mean, just hardworking.
Okay.
Hardworking to give the best for yourself.
Really?
Yes, of course.
100% agree. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's very true. Like, something that I really like about your statement, just don't be the best, but do the best. It's very true. Okay, let's move to Anjani. So how about you, Anjani? What do you do when you feel down?
When I feel down, I always do same watch video cipung video. So because cipung is my mood booster.
Oh, yeah.
And then I also do to visit our student in how to say pelosok Goa.
Village,
in
rural area.
In Goa.
Okay.
I join a community in teaching student in rural area. So if I come back from this place, I always have a motivate to always give my energy.
Oh, so when you meet your students in rural area, like they give you power
Yes,
to like to be more
sure.
motivated. MashaAllah, that's great. That's great. Okay, yeah, as a
Yeah.
volunteer,
Yes,
right?
as a
So
volunteer.
what do you teach? Do you teach English or maybe other things as well?
I teach other like math,
Maths, okay.
science, and write. And
Oh,
write.
very talented.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's basic elementary school.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Anjani.
Yes, sure.
Let's move to Mawadda. Since you keep, complaining, I choose you first, so I choose you the last now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So how about you?
Thank you. Because I was thinking, okay, when I got or when I got fall down, I go traveling. For example, I go hiking. I go to many places, so my brain and my body is fresh. Another tips when I feel down, I am more activity.
Okay.
Because if I stay one activity, it's just make me bored.
Okay.
And make me just frustration. For example, when I write my scriptsy, I go to teach private, and I go to another place. So if in the play and when I go to place to teach, I got a new body. For example, like that, because I got a new people.
new people
So
again, okay.
my body is it is another mawa. So when I come back to finish my scriptsy, it's first again.
Oh,
So
okay.
if if I got a more activity it's what
Refresh you.
yeah, it's membuatku lebih mudah.
Okay,
It's,
it will be
yeah,
easier
it's
for
easier
you.
for me.
Okay, thank you so much. So we have to break right now, and then we will meet again after the break. So 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to our program 101.1 Smart FM Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. So right now, maybe before we continue, let's have a round of applause, guys. So we are going to discuss about privilege, right? And I feel like this has been quite a topic that has been discussed on social media as well. And therefore, I want to ask one of you. Maybe we can start from Miss Lala. Okay, Miss Lala. So, what do you think about someone who has a privilege? Do you think it's fair for other people who don't have that? Because we have like different start line, right? So, do you think it's fair for people? So, what would you say?
Okay, talk about what's
Privilege.
privilege. I mean, someone have a plain difference first, and then someone, I mean, not same as people have run easy to get their dreams like that.
That's true.
I mean, if you feel it not easy for you get your dreams, just try to make it one plane, two planes, three
Okay.
planes to make it sure can choose who will I do. Just that, and then I mean, if you have many plane,
Okay.
you can focus. You can focus try one
Okay.
first.
Prioritize one
Yes,
first, right?
prioritize one target, and then if you are feeling down, you can change.
You can choose.
You can change, of course. If you change and then try to hard working to make it come true. Never think I wanna lose. Maybe I will down. Never think that. Just do the best,
Do
of
the best.
course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, just it.
So do you think it's fair or unfair?
Just fair.
It's fair.
It's
Okay.
fair.
So
Yes.
how about you? Do you think you have privilege like to pursue your dreams? How about you? Since previously you said that you want to become, is it a lecturer?
Not lecturer.
No.
The last.
Business.
The last is
right?
businesswoman and useful for us.
Useful for other people. So, do you think you have the privilege to pursue your goals?
Yes, of course. I mean, I have a target to make institute.
Institute.
Yes, especially I give a name Rani Core Centers.
Okay,
Rani Core Centers. I try to building in the village.
Okay.
To support everyone wanna teach like
Okay.
Maths, science,
Okay, so you can collaborate, right?
Arabic language, and dance. How to say kalistun ya? Jadi how to read, write, and then account.
Okay.
Like that. And then Rani Core Centers we will be placed
Okay.
for us to increase their capability, especially for about knowledge and experience to go traveling with another community. Yes, of
Okay.
course, just it.
So for the institution that you mentioned before, it's free of charge. You are not getting any money
There
from
is
that?
charge, and in several I give a free for someone like how to say yatim piatu
Of
Of-
orphanage.
orphanage.
If I'm
Yes,
not
of
mistaken.
course.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's move to Mawadda. How about you, Mawadda? What do you think about someone who has privilege? Do you think it's fair for those who do not have that? Or what would you say?
Yeah, I think it's just fair
It's fair.
because everyone has own process.
Okay.
So yeah, just work, enjoy, and yeah.
Just enjoy the process.
Yeah,
So,
enjoy process because
for example, like I want to apply to a company, and then you also want to apply to the same company, right? But I know someone who works there, and then that person can help me to be accepted. So the possibility I'm being accepted is higher than you. So do you think it's still fair because you don't get the job, but I get the job, even though you are more talented, for instance, you are more skilled, you are better than me, but I get the job. So do you think it is still fair?
I believe there is place more better than.
Oh,
So just
So-
thinking positive thinking.
positive thinking. Okay.
Don't make it stress.
Okay, don't be stressful.
Yeah.
Okay, different person, different process,
Yeah.
right? Okay, thank you so much. Anything else? Is that all?
Not.
Not really. Okay. Next, we move to Anjani. So how about you, Anjani?
Thank you. My opinion same like Kak Lala and Kak Wiwi,
Mawada.
Kak Mawa, because everyone has a process, different process, and if you get if you has not a privilege, you have to try harder to get your dream.
Okay.
It's enough from me.
Okay, so if we don't have the privilege, we have to work harder than those who
Yes.
have the privilege.
Yes.
So basically, it means it's not fair then, because we need to work harder, but the other people don't. They don't need to work hard. So it's not fair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So it's not fair. Do you think so?
I think fair.
Why?
Yeah, because how to say rezeki?
Our fate. You can say our fate.
Our faith.
Yeah.
I-
Destiny.
We have our faith different.
Yeah.
You have to positive thinker.
Okay, same.
Yeah, it's enough from me.
Well, how about you? Do you think you have the privilege? You want to become a lecturer as well, right?
Yes.
So do you have the privilege? How about you?
How to say? I have privilege.
Yeah, you do?
Now no.
Why you think you don't have the privilege?
I have to I wanna become a lecturer, so I have to continue my study in next step. S2 maybe.
Okay,
S2.
for your master's degree.
Yeah, master degree.
Okay.
And
Okay. We'll talk about that later. So next move to you. So how about you? What do you think about privilege?
I think privilege have two sides. Yeah,
Two sides.
the first
right?
is so beneficial,
Okay, the beneficial
beneficial.
one.
but sometimes it can be harmful.
Okay, it can be beneficial, but it can be harmful at the same
Yes.
time. Okay.
Yes,
How about the second one?
because why you choose the second one rather than the first one?
Oh, so it's like two different things. Okay, the
Yes.
beneficial one and then the harmful one. Okay.
Yes,
Could you explain a little bit more in detail about those two?
I think you are too interesting to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
second
yeah.
one. Okay, but the first one is it will be easier for you to get what you want. Like for example, like hearing job, you
Yeah.
can easily, if you have good connections on on certain company, it will easier for you to get a job in there. But at the same times, it can be harmful because the moment when people already know that you have a privilege, they will not think about your effort. They can see the effort that you already do or during your process. They cannot see that. They only see your privilege, and privilege.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what should they do then if they are in that situation?
If what kind of situations? The second one.
Yeah, second one.
Okay.
Second one.
If they in the second situations, the moment when people cannot see their effort,
Yeah.
I think like they just need to keep going.
To
Keep going. Like they need to try to ignore what
Okay.
others think about them.
Okay.
But sometimes it's really hardful. Yeah, because it's
hard.
really hard. It's really hard.
Yeah. especially
Yeah.
right now because we are on digital era and everything. Like all of people say something bad on about us on social media, especially when it comes to celebrities. You know, like Maudi Ayunda.
Yeah.
Like so many people say something bad about her just because like she has the privilege, like she comes from a wealthy family, so that's why like she could study abroad. So what would you say about that kind of thing?
Okay. So you already mentioned about Maudi Ayunda.
Yeah, yeah, just
Okay.
one of the examples.
I have another example, like the daughter of Hairil Tanjung.
Okay, I
Uh,
don't know. Could you
yes,
tell us
but
more?
she have her own. I don't know, is it a business or what? Her own achievement,
I see, I
but
see, I see.
the society, the netizen,
Yeah, I don't know.
especially, think like it is because your father is Hairil Tanjung, or it is because of
Yeah.
your father is famous and wealthy. They
Mm.
don't know that also the daughter already try their own base.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I think like the one that have privilege or also or already do their best effort don't need to hear about the netizens.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah,
That's all?
that's all.
Okay, thank you so much. And maybe it can be the last one and then we will see about the time when the time is up. But let's just continue. So for those viewers who still are confused, like they still do not know like what their patients are, they still do not know what they want to do, maybe there is something that you can give to them, like some piece of advice maybe, so they can be as motivated as you, as inspired as you. So let's start from Mawaddah.
Okay, thank you. I just want to say just self-confidence.
Always
For
positive.
example, I'm here because I am self-confident.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we have to study at in experience,
Start from
because
experience.
from here, for example, I'm here. I know my English is not very well, not well. So it's my experience. So
Yes.
and uh, in the future or later, maybe I will be increase my English.
Yeah, yeah. So you also can learn from here, right? Like to
Yeah.
improve your
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
English,
Yeah.
your listening, your
Yeah.
speaking,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much. And we move to Anjani. So how are you, Anjani?
I think you have to do what you love, what you
Okay.
like,
Yeah.
and then if you had know what you like, you have to hone your skill.
Mm-hmm.
So and then you don't jangan mudah bosan.
Okay. Don't get bored easily, right?
Don't get bored easily.
Okay.
I think that's all from
So how about those people who just like lying down, like kaum rebahan? So what should they do? They just need to continue doing what they love, which is
No.
rebahan.
No. You have to increase your soft skill, maybe.
Soft skills.
You can start from a little something like make videos content,
Okay.
and you upload in social media,
Okay, it's going.
something like that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Well, I feel like it's also very important, like to be surrounded by people who are supportive, like our circles, because I've heard like we are right now are kind of determined by our close friends. Do you think it's true or not? So let's hear from Lala. How about you, Miss?
Okay, if talk about motivation, yeah,
Yeah.
motivations for us. I mean, if you have a dreams, just try to make formula.
Okay, formula.
Like me, for example, I get a formula like this: 2557.
Okay, what's that?
2557.
2557.
Okay, for the first, because now we will discuss about dreams, belief, and make it happen. Okay, two is point about what the meaning dreams.
Okay.
You must know. You must understand about what the meaning dreams. If you understand about meaning dreams, I mean it's so easy to make it next plane. Okay. The second, you make a five factor. You will do and then make it your dream wanna become true. And five against about you must understand about what is the benefit of your plane, what is your benefit of your dreams, and then what is your benefit about that's all daily activity in your life.
Okay.
And the last is seven.
7.
You must looking for 7 motivations.
Okay, 7 motivation.
For example, dream is free. Dream is free is motivation for me because there is no someone have a dream wanna pay, okay, or buy dreams. There's no just make it your dream. Just make many plans about your dreams.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, against I mean you will be accept that's all process in your life. It's so hard or not hard. I mean that is your process. Just enjoy with your process.
Yeah.
And
so
then
enjoy the process.
and then you can try to add many motivation in your life. Just seven
Okay, just 7
motivation.
motivation.
Yes, of course. And last maybe like this, like this. Don't afraid to dream. Don't
Okay,
afraid
be
to
afraid to
dream.
have dreams.
Yes, of
Okay.
course. Just 2, 5, 5, 7 like that. Just it maybe.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for your participation. Since the time is up, so we have to close our program right now. But we will see you again in our next meeting, which is next week on Thursday at Tuesday, not Thursday, but on Tuesday at 7 until 8 p.m. So thank you so much, 101.1 Smart FM Makassar, and we will see you again later. Bye bye. Bye bye.